iScopus ifuna inkampani yeposi yeli inyuse umxakatho waye ingaxhomekeki kurhulumente ngokwezimali ukubheka phambili.
The 8 billion is factored into that plan, and it would be difficult for the post office if we do not get it. However, we are making sure that we don't stop and wait for the money to come. We are pushing and looking at new business areas.
Kodwa uvele kuba imali ezichithwe ngaphandle kokulandela imithetho ziphantse zifikelele ku200 ezigidi zerandi. iScopus ibonakalise inkxalabo ingakumbi ekungalandeleni imithetho.
I mean, some of these things, as the CEO is saying, are from January as resolutions. It's now November.
If it were a private company, I have no doubt that SARS would by now have taken action, either civilly or, if necessary, criminally.
If you are serious about consequence management, you can't have such a report at our disposal now, where the Auditor General would reflect on zero consequence and effective consequence management.
iScopus iza kutyelela le nkampani yeposi ebutsheni bale nyanga izayo. Ulilani Philip, SABC News ePalamente.